Let me show you all of the screen lock options on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. So first of all, you will need to open a settings on your phone. Then when we're inside, we can look for the lock screen and AOD or security and privacy. Here we can go to lock screen and you will find five options that you can use, but only 3 of them right here offer any kind of security. If you decide on swipe or none, that means that you will have basically no security on your phone. And in this case, the PIN, if you want to use it, then you'll be able to create a password with only the numbers. If you decide on password, you'll be able to use the letters and numbers as well. Then if you decide on pattern, you'll be able to draw a specific pattern that allows you to unlock your phone. Additionally, there's biometrics, and you can use face recognition, scan your face with front camera to unlock your phone, or you can go for a fingerprint, which you can scan right here to unlock your phone as well. And that is basically everything.